Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to play Emoji Pong on Instagram. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up the Instagram app. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead over to the DM section. And in here, you can go ahead and chat with Meta AI, or chat with your previous chats right here, or even create a new chat. It doesn't matter. Okay, so for example, I'm just going to be using Meta AI right here. So what you'll do basically is go ahead and type down a message, select emoji, go ahead and enter an emoji that you like, for example, this one, and then hit on send. Once that's done, just go ahead and tap on the emoji that you sent. All right, and once that's done, you'll now be able to play Emoji Ping Pong or Emoji Pong. All right, so every time you hit the emoji, you will earn a point. And your high score is recorded at the top right corner or at the top left. If the emoji falls past your paddle, just like that, the game is over. And you can either try again or challenge your friend to beat your score. And that is how you play Emoji Pong on Instagram. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.